To Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up My Canal. So I just received a package from Aliexpress and I want to show you guys what I ordered. Okay, so normally I always put my lavender and rose water spray into this container and I use it to spray my face. But then I was talking to the lady in the store where I purchased the stuff, and she was like, it's much better when you have it in a darker container. It's much better. And she explained to me a whole lot, but it was in Dutch. The explanation was in Dutch because I purchased the stuff in the store in Holland here, and so I was like, okay, you know what? I saw some containers on AliExpress, and let me purchase them. I think this is what I have received, so let's open it. It just comes in normal AliExpress standard bag, and I also ordered some stuff which I feel like they're also in it. So hopefully it's the container that I'm expecting. And this is, what is this one? Oh, I know what this is. Let me get a scissors. This one is a t-shirt. It's my elder brother's daughter's birthday, so we have like a birthday theme, and I bought t-shirts for everyone so that we have like this birthday thing, like the auntie of the birthday girl, the cousin of the birthday girl, and stuff like that. So this is what it is. When we put it on, I will try and put a picture somewhere in the screen so you guys can see. I'm not going to show you guys this one right now because it's actually for the day of the birthday, so I don't want to spoil it and put it on the internet. Right, this is the container that I ordered. I also have a package waiting for me at the post office because I wasn't home yesterday. I went to work, so I haven't gotten the time to go and pick that package. I'll pick it up and I will come and share with you guys. So when she told me like, yeah, the darker container is much better, so I went ahead and purchased some container from AliExpress. So I got this container, even though it's not like bigger. So I got this one. So maybe this one is more longer, but I feel like the size, it may almost be the same. So I got this one, and you just put your product in it and you can use this to spray your face like this. So yeah, I got this one, and I also got something. I also got a oil container because I always like to use vitamin C oil. I have the serum, but I always like to using vitamin C oil. So I thought I will also put my vitamin C oil into this container. At least then I have like the same containers. And this one is, I got this one for her. I don't actually know, but I thought, you know what, just the same swag, and I thought I got this one for my hand cream. I always have hand cream in my bag. I always have hand cream in the bedroom, so I thought I will, because normally I like to mix my hand cream because I have an extremely dry hand because I'm always playing with water. I'm always playing with water. I'm always washing my hand. I'm always cleaning, so my hand is extremely dry. So what I normally do is I will take my hand cream, and this is the one that I'm having in the bedroom at the moment. So what I normally do, I will open it. This one you couldn't open it, so it was a little bit tricky. You couldn't open this one, but mostly the hand cream I have, you can open it and add some oil in it. But with this one I couldn't open it, so that's the reason why I was like, getting a container like this is much better. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this. First I'm going to wash it. I'm going to wash everything and sanitize everything with some alcohol, and then I'm going to pour the hand cream into this container, and then I'm going to add some my glycerin. I have some glycerin. I'm going to add some glycerin, and I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil in here so I can have it as a hand cream. And you can just remove this and it's going to be easily, and this is just for the bedroom because I love having hand cream in the bedroom, because when I'm filming, sometimes you are filming and you just forget and your hand is looking so dry. So dry. Like right now, I was washing my makeup brushes. I was playing with water, so my hand is looking really dry. So yeah, I purchased this, and this is it. These are the 3 containers. So I'm going to, let me put this one aside. I'm going to actually have this one here. I'm going to put them here because I have some vitamin here that I need to organize, but I'm going to come to that. I'm going to show you guys how I organize my vitamins. And so I'm going to wash all of this. I'm going to sanitize these bottles, and then I'm going to put it there where I put my products. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys. I thought it was so beautiful. They didn't have like, I really wanted to get the 100 ml because this one is 60 ml, but they do have 100 ml for this one. They did have 100 ml for this one, but the spray bottle they didn't have 100 ml. The 100 ml was sold out, so I was like, I'm not about to have these 2 short one and 1 big one at the top. And if you guys know me, I'm a little bit like I don't know how to say it, a little bit like when I want things, it has to be the way it is. So I thought, okay, let me just purchase the 60 ml and it will be better. So I feel like this is even more perfect. So I'm going to wash this now, sanitize it with some alcohol. I have alcohol, and then I'm going to organize it and put my spray and everything. So I'm also going to come back and show you guys how I mix my rosemary rose water and lavender water, how I mix both of them as a spray that I use on my face. So this is just a quick unboxing. I'm going to pick the other package that I have in the post office, and then I'll show you guys also as well. So first, let me go and wash this one and leave it to dry. I'm gonna sanitize it, wash it, leave it to dry, and then I'll go and pick the other package, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So but this is it. So these are stuff that I have here. This is not supposed to be here actually, but it's just standing here because I need to fill in my vitamin pills. I need to fill it in, but normally this is not supposed to stand here. So these are just like random stuff I use every single day. This is just like my go-to work perfume. When I go to work, this is a perfume I use. I always have like a mini perfume in my bag, but this is the perfume I use. So sometimes I don't feel like going into my drawer taking new perfumes. Sometimes it can be confusing when I'm opening the drawer to take a perfume because I have so much perfume, and then I'm like, it takes time. I'm like, okay, maybe I should use this one. So I'm like, you know what, let me just have one that I put here, and when it's finished I'll take another one again and put it here. So this is just like the thing I use daily. So I'm going to sanitize this ones, and then I'm going to show you guys how I fill everything up.